Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna just do a little quick one. These handles, because believe it or not, when you're sitting in the sideways there and you're like on an incline, you try to get out of this thing. I don't know if I'm getting fat or old, but yeah, we're gonna put these things on. So basically, you grab the longest screw out of the set. They got these little black washers with the one screw. It's a Torx number 4, and you pass them through the existing holes of the mirror. Do that 2 times. I think at least that's where they go. And then line them up. It's nice that they're curved down, that they actually fit the, and I'm going everything black with a little bit of everything aluminum with a little bit of chrome, whatever, machined aluminum in it. So that's sort of like my fuel wheels are, and that's what the ZRP is. So I'm keeping it with that same theme all across. So yeah, this is it's going to be a very quick installation video. Like, I guess you gotta screw them. Either put one in and not line it up and then do the other one after, or do them both a little bit at a time, I guess. Now we'll see if this affects my closing of my door. Maybe I should use the impact on this. Maybe I should have put some Loctite. For some odd reason, I can't go any tighter. So the screws they give you, a little bit too long. Probably taking this off with the impact. So I guess we'll chop off the end. It's too long and I'm bottoming out, and I know if I tighten any tighter, they're gonna snap. So you order from China, you get them for really cheap. You get ready to cut the end off. So they're bottoming out maybe, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch, maybe not. No, 1/4 of an inch would be excessive. But so, yeah, because they can't go through the plate, right? The hole's not right through. So they just drill, so they bottom out. And if they're gonna wiggle or whatever, be loose, it's no good to me. So I'm gonna start by chopping one, see what the feel is like, and then start over again. Alright, so that fits now. Now it's nice and tight. I don't want to do it with the impact to tighten it, so I'll do it by hand. So yeah, so I took out close to 1/4 inch anyways, at least the thickness of about that much, and the thickness of the grinding blade. So yeah, now it makes more sense. Yeah. Now it's a snugger fit. So now I got to remove this and cut them all. So actually what I'll do to show you guys is I'll show you what the originals, how long they are and how much I took off. Yeah, this one. So it'll give me an idea as well. So that's how much I took off, and it's okay. So figure out what that does for you, and yeah, didn't take much off. So I'm going to chop them all off the same length, and that'll be that. So I don't think you guys want me to see me grind 4 little bolts. So I'll be right back. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have put the blue Loctite right away. Alright, so now that they're all cut down to size, yeah, should have put the blue Loctite on the other side once you go through, because you're going to smear it everywhere. Alright, now what am I doing? I just said it's better to do it after. So yeah, so I thought this was going to be like really quick and just go for it, but looks like they're all that much too long, and they actually vibrate on this side. So oh yeah, now I have to touch it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, so they wiggle in there, so start them both, because if you don't quite line them up when they're tight, once they're tight, you won't be able to line up your other ones. So as soon as you get a chance to put the thing, swing the other one in, because there is play in there. And if you tighten the one side, then you don't know if you went too far ahead, too far back. So make sure you line them both up, put some blue Loctite, check the fitment on the first try, and then should be okay. Let me just give it a little snug. Yeah, I didn't snug it. Don't want to overdo it. The Loctite should do its job. There you go. This one loosens back up. All right, let's see what the... Try it. It feels like, yeah, I'll try it. All right, so... just fun having a handle to grip on. So if you're in the seat, you want to get up, that goes good. They look good. Well, I tried 240-pound pressure on it. So yeah, so basically I guess if you can't get out, or you're in a hole and you're bending sideways or something, you want, yeah. Well, let's try with the doors and the rubber. Let's see where, well actually the rubber is over. So it's not even, see the rubber stops right here. So the rubber is actually on this trim here. So let's try it out. Yeah, the rubbers, don't even see them. The rubber's over them. So, yeah. And actually for looking through, yeah. They look okay and solid. So yeah, nice handles. So I don't know what you guys think, but that's it for the video. The other ones is just repeat. So I think they're pretty sharp looking. So And the screws don't go through it inside. So, and they're cut out to fit the fitment. And the grip is good. And you can basically, you're keeping your joint in, so if you ever flip up and you decide to grab onto there, it's better than the strap one. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'll make another video very shortly. I think I'm gonna pop out 2 this weekend. I like popping 2 per weekend, you know? Like you get home on a Friday, sit down and watch, and you want to sit down and relax on a Sunday. That's what I intend to do, but it's just a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so next one are gonna be these little thingies here. Gotta remove these, so yeah, because they're already changing colors, and so we're gonna put that on there and flip up, because the wife has a hard time with her little wrists pulling it, and I lube them up and everything, and it still doesn't work. So that'll be the next video. So see you soon. Appreciate you guys. We blew the 300. Thanks. It took me a year to get to 13. Never thought I'd get to 300. So appreciate you guys. So catch you on the next one. Bye for now.